On the 9th November 2022, NPP MDC Dolmonath CH Sangma, along with his associates, quit NPP to join BJP today in Tura Polo Orchid. He was an MDC from Tigrikila constituency. While speaking with the media persons, he asserted that NPP had neglected him and his associates, and it was better for him to unite BJP if NPP has the tendency to disregard him and his associates. He confessed the love he has for NPP as a party, but adamant to quit since he is not respected by the party. He also exulted that BJP as a national party is in center with power, which everyone should look up to. He had decided that he will contest in Tigrikila constituency in 2023 assembly elections.
In Charles Meghalaya, Arawandakan Sir Keturaj Sinha for Committee Northeast in Charles. Arawandakan Sir Aris Marvi, State Vice President, Sir State President, Aro Sri Rupam Goswami, BJP spokesperson, Assam. Aro Wadaken, ya district ni aro state ni BJP ni President Secretary, aro Wadaken, tentang area uni tentang kadang BJP ko legapa tergabara, kalau tentang macam ya cingli join kanyo nasimang sakanti ni dipakai pakorani na ang tentang macam nasimang sakanti pun betul sehingga mereka beben dasyo angin kay akan ngaha singada alo main sungau aru main sungi lalu singa ya BJP join kangasem nasimang sakantian uya lalu angni ya BJP yung sungi join kanyara anse sakantian niat kencimote katnaman gen sentaro sawa sasol kengacem sentaro sawa maiko ke ansimuna ngacem uan anga angni muksungaro changsiao angchingni Prime Minister Narendra Modi plus lalu asamova angching katnaman nga Himonto Biswa Sharma uamang alu angching ya North East ni man tentang skema ko angchinga dok chigaranga watatenga lalu angching ni buluna au North East so sawa sasun kainga BJP sasun kainga uni kaman angching nami sanchigen chemude angching ni area na angching ni Meghalaya na ba angching ba develop ko rabanek ta sanchige angching sa kantian BJP baksa tapilum na nangani sanchi angan thangni area ni guman angan thangni mandirang ni guman sanchi angan alo ya BJP o jonka liangan simul sapatina